In Storyline, you can easily display the value of a variable. In this video, we will show you how. Variables can be displayed on any object that can hold text like a shape, a button, or a text box. To display a variable, first select or add an object where you want the variable value to appear. I will select this text box that I've already created. Now click on the Insert tab and then click Reference. The References window will pop up, showing all the variables in your project, the ones you've created yourself, and the built-in variables. I will choose this variable and click OK. And here it is. The variable reference displays its default value in a yellow placeholder. But keep in mind that this yellow box won't appear in your final course. Just preview the slide to see how it will look without it. You can save yourself some time when you need to switch out a variable. Just right-click on the variable placeholder, click Reference, and then select your desired variable. Notice that many of the built-in variables are here under slide numbers. I will pick this one. And one last tip. Hover over a built-in variable's yellow placeholder and you'll see a tooltip with its title and description. And that's it. In the blink of an eye, we've solved how to display variable values in Articulate Storyline. If this quick tutorial was what you needed, please give this video a thumbs up. And for more blink-fast solutions, subscribe to BlinkSolve tutorials.